This could be the worst storm hit Florida in over a century. And God willing, it won't be, but that's what it's looking like right now.
Gotta keep these pockets zipped.
Please listen to evacuation orders. Please listen to your local officials, because I know a lot of folks out there have survived these hurricanes before. This one is going to be very, very serious. And I urge you to please just grab whatever you need. Listen to the orders you're getting from your local officials. They know what they're telling you, and they know what Milton is about to be.